Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming both monitors are connected and powered. This prevents signal confusion. Once done, open your operating system display settings and identify which screen is 1 and which is 2. Make sure each monitor runs at its native resolution and recommended refresh rate. This avoids scaling issues. If you use a docking station or adapter, verify its bandwidth supports dual output. Now that detection and basic configuration are set, you're ready to arrange and split windows. Next, arrange the virtual monitors to match their real-world layout. Drag the numbered screens until edges align, because cursor travel depends on that. Then enable extended display mode rather than duplicate, so you get separate desktops. Adjust scaling so text and UI match between screens. Mismatched scaling causes misaligned windows. Use the System Snap feature or a window manager. This makes splitting predictable. Once aligned and scaled, you can place windows precisely across the seam without unexpected jumps. Now split your workspace. Snap one app to the left of the left monitor and another to the right of the right monitor, or span a single app across both by dragging its edge over the boundary. This depends on whether you want separate or span screens. Once placed, fine-tune sizes with resizing tools and save the layout if your OS or utility supports profiles. If windows behave oddly, update GPU drivers, replace suspect cables, and reset display settings. This common troubleshooting step fixes most split-screen problems.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.